So how I clean my AC filter is literally just wash it down with clean water. Does the trick. I don't use bleach. I don't put vinegar on it. I know some people do. Super easy, super straightforward. Grab your water hose, wash it down. I like the shower feature on this because it literally hits every nook and cranny. Makes my life way more easier. Just tap it, and once that's done, you're halfway there. You just want to leave it somewhere to dry off, or just put on the hammock. Just like that. And while that's drying off, let's go inside and I'll show you how I'll clean it with vinegar solution with some water, and then go from there.